In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Facebook watch icon is missing. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Facebook on your device. And from here, you want to come up to the profile icon up in the top right hand corner, and then just scroll down until you get to the settings and privacy option. Now go ahead and press settings, and what you want to do is come down to the preferences section and press onto navigation bar. Next, go ahead and press customize the bar. And what you want to do is just scroll down, and underneath hidden shortcuts, you're going to see the watch button. So what you want to do, it says hidden, you want to press onto the hidden box and change this to pin. Now you can see that's been added. So what we need to do now is come out of Facebook and go ahead and open up Facebook again. And you'll see at the very top now, we've got the watch icon. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.